Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be talking about how to make texture pack. Now, there's a lot of videos out there, but they're very outdated compared to now, because they're for like 1.12 and stuff like that, and from long ago. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a texture pack in 6/15/2020 for 1.5.2. First of all, you're going to want to get yourself a folder, which you can just do that, new, and folder. Then what you want to do is make an assets folder inside that folder. Once you do that, you're going to stay in this folder here that you just made and open up and get a text document or a notepad or something. Then open it up and write these exact things. Now this here doesn't need to be right here. You can change to whatever you want. You can say hello or something like that. Anything you want. And once you've done that, make sure they're both apostrophes and stuff. And you can save that and take this and put it in there with the assets folder. Then open up that assets folder and put a Minecraft folder. Once you've done that, open that up and put a textures folder. Now these are all case sensitive, so make sure you're doing the same thing. So lowercase, all that lowercase, and then all lowercase. After that, you're going to want to make another block folder, because today we're going to be talking about how to make blocks. In the next video, we will be talking about how to make items. Inside the block folder, you're going to have this. Now what you're going to want to do is find the default textures, which you can just go to Google and type in default Minecraft textures, just like that, and then you can find lots of things like that. Once you've done that, you're going to open up that folder and go to block. These are every single block that's in the game. Now today you can do whatever block you want, but there's different types of blocks. So cobble, it's a 6-sided block all the way around, so it's just one thing. And things like grass, it's like multiple things, like these two and that. So basically, X out of that, and then I recommend a thing called Pixlr. It's like Photoshop but free. You can just get on the web. It's called Pixlr.com. I will post the link in the description. Basically, what you're going to do is going to advanced Pixlr and find what you want to do. I've already made a cobblestone.png. Basically, what you want to do is take a cobblestone here and drop it into there. Now, if you're on the home page, you can just drop it like that. Put it over here, and then what you're going to want to do is basically like Photoshop. So what you can do is you can go down here to change your colors. So I can have a red cobblestone or something. I need to go click on here. You can have red cobblestone, or up here you can change the size of it to 1 pixel, so you can just have 1 pixel at a time. And there's an erase tool, there's a fill tool, and all types of different tools to help you build up. And then over here you can change like how it is, so I can just delete that layer and have this. So once you have that, you can go to file and then save, do PNG and make it 16 by 16, unless you're making a bigger texture. Then you can do 32 by 32 or 64 by 64, all of that, and make it cobblestone.png. You can download that. Once you've done that, you can bring it over to your desktop, X out of this, and delete this. Then rename this to just cobblestone. That's all I need. And then once you do that, you can open up your tutorial folder again, go back into all the folders, all the way into block, and then drop that in there. Once you've done that, you can X out of that, and that's basically it. Now all you gotta do is find your .minecraft folder, which you can do by going to search, going to run, just like that, and this should pop up here. Once you do that, you can open that, and then go to type in %, percent app data, and then percent. Click OK, and then you should have this folder here in roaming. Then you do .minecraft, and there's your .minecraft folder. Then you scroll down to your resource pack folder, and then take the tutorial folder and drop it into here. Once you've done that, you can go into your Minecraft launcher and go into the latest release. And then you click play, wait for it to load up, and I'll meet you guys when it loads. And then once your game loads, you can load it up, go to option, resource packs, and then put in your tutorial folder, which you can find at the bottom or at the top or wherever. Okay, done. Wait for it. Click done. Single player. Open up a new world, or whatever world you want to use. And you can place down your cobble by going to here and search out cobblestone. And you have all these textures here. And when you're doing the cobblestone or any of these wood types, they will all come with their variant of the slabs and walls and stairs with them. So if I would have done oak, then if I would have done this texture here, then all of these would have came with it. All of these different things. But the oak trapdoor is different, that would not be with it. So, yeah. Basically. That's basically it though. So, hope you guys have enjoyed. Yeah. In the next video, I will be showing you guys how to create a item. So,